ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. We will do the translations. What we are doing, just seeing this, the Yattat Sambandha and the Shatranta. Yattat Sambandha, so we can do in all format. Yattat as well as Shatranta, like what we did here. One is present tense, other one is future tense. Okay. Let us do the running after the king. The servants serve him.
Sevakasya.
Why Sevakasya?
Not Sevakasya.
Two words are, two sentences are there.
Servants
The servants run after the king, they serve him.
serve the king.
Yeah. So therefore,
Sevakaha Rajanam Anudhavanti.
Yes, Rajanam run after the king. So therefore, Rajanam or Nrupam, whatever it is, right? And they follow. Anusarati, Anudhavanti, whatever it is, you can say. Anudhavanti. Sevakaha Rajanam Anudhavanti. They follow. Running after the king means they follow. Anusaranti, same meaning. Nrupam Anusaranti. Right? Then this, the servants, Sevakaha, Sevakaha, Rajanam, Sevate, Sevete, Sevante. It is Atmanepadi. So now you have to make it into one. Ye Sevakaha, Rajanam Prati, you can say Prati or something now. Prati Rudhavanti. Te Sevakaha, yeah, Te Sevakaha. Te not, Sevakaha also not required. Te Tam also. Rajanam Sevanti, Tam also. Te Tam means you have to understand. Te referring to Sevaka, Tam referring to Saharaja. Now, we can use Shatranta present tense. Dhatu is save that. Oh, okay. This we cannot use because we need save dhatu is Atmanipadi, right? So Shanaj, not required. We can we don't have to use seva. We use some Parasmaipadi dhatu. What dhatu we can use to serve?
Paricharyam Kuruvanti.
So, Upakaram.
We don't have to put Shatranta for sir. We can do it for the running sir.
Yeah, running only is there. Yeah,
After,
yeah. Yes, right. Because Sevante, you don't have to put it in. Sevante can be there.
yeah.
Anudavanti only we are going to use. So Anudavanti, Davdavati is Paraspapadi. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Suppose we can make
Raj.
like Rajanam.
राजानं प्रति अनुधावन्ताः सेवकाः
Yes. Anudavan, Davantau, Davantaha. Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Rajanam Prati Anudavantaha. Sevakaha. Rajanam. Tam Sevante. Yes. Right. Then the same thing in future tense. What do you do in future tense? Yeah. Anyone? Okay. Future tense. The servants who will run after the king will serve him. So Rajanam Prati Anudhavantaha will become now who will run after. Yes. Davdatu will become Davdatu Davishyati. Davishyataha. Davishyati lit form, right? Future tense. So now in Shatranta will become Davishyat Pratipadikam. Davishyan. Davishyan. Davishyanto. Davishantaha, right? It's pulling only. Therefore, Rajanam Prati Anudavishyantaha Sevakaha Tam. Now here you have to use future tense. What is the future tense for Davdatu?
Sevish. Not thou.
Future tense. Atmanepadi dhatu. Save dhatu. Atmanepadi dhatu. Therefore, save plus Sya plus Atmanepadi pratyaya, whatever it is, Atmanepadi pratyaya. It will become, this is said dhatu, sevish,
Sevishyante.
sevishyante, sevish, Bhagavachanam, because sevakaha, sevishyante. Sevishyate, sevishyate, sevishyante. Rajanam prati anudhavishyantaha sevakaha tam sevishyante. Similarly, stealing gold. It means choraha, stealing gold. The servant, okay, the servant steals gold. The servant shows to his wife. Two sentences. Steals. Chorayati.
Stenaha.
Not stenaha, servant only. Sevakaha.
Sevakaha.
What does he steal? Swarnam? Hiranyam?
Hiranyam chorayati.
Hiranyam chorayati. Then saha. Taha is applied to sevakaha.
Bharyam darshayati.
Saha. Bharyam. Darshayati. Right? Shows it to his wife. Tasya Bharyam or Bharyam itself is okay, will do. Yaha saha. Yaha sevakaha hiranyam chorayati. Chorayati. Saha. Bharyam. Darshayati. Shatranta would be
Hiranyam chorayan sevakaha.
Yes. So Hiranyam chorayan chorayat pratipadikam. Chorayan chorayanto chorayanta. Hiranyam chorayan sevakaha Bharyam Darshayati. Right? Shows it to his wife. Then the servant will steal gold. Same sentence, you take it. Hiranyam Chora?
Chorishyan.
Chorayishyan. Not Chorishyan. What is the writ form? Chorayishyati. Chorayishyan. Hiranyam Chorayishyan Sevakaha Bharyam
Darshayishyati.
Yes. Dhatu is Darshi is a Dhatu. Okay. Dhatu is he will show to his wife, right? Sorry, not Darshi is Dhatu. Dhatu is Drish Dhatu. Sorry, Kshmita. Not Darshi. Drish plus Shya plus Tik. I'm doing something wrong. Sorry, positive. Drakshyati. Right? Not Darsha. Drakshati means
Drakshati.
you see, okay, the causal form, sorry, what is
Drish
it?
plus
Darshi is a dhatu because drish dhatu becomes drakshati. You see,
Darshiham.
Shoy becomes darshi. Therefore, this is Nijanta dhatu. Nijanta plus sya plus ti. Then here what will happen?
It becomes Drakshyati.
No, it's darshayashyati. It's correct only.
Darshishyati.
Darshayishyati, not darshishyati.
Darshaishyati.
This is anekach dhatu, set dhatu. Therefore, itagama, then darshi will become darshe, then ayadi sandhi, darshi, darshayishyati. Drakshyati is he will see. He will show darshayishyati. Okay, this now.
Darshaishyati.
Dhatu is drish. Drish plus nich plus syat nijanta rupam. This is nijanta rit rupam of drish dhatu. Darshayishyati is correct. Okay. Going to the village, I will see my mother. So I go to the village.
I go to the village.
Aham gramam gacchami.
Yes, aham simple. Aham gramam gacchami. I will see my mother. Okay, here I see my mother is there. I see my mother, I will see my mother, whatever it is. Fine. I
Milami.
see my mother. Pashyami, whatever it is. Milami. I will meet.
Aham matam.
Milami is okay. Aham matam. Mataram.
Mataram.
Pashyami.
Pashyami, milami, whatever it is. Right?
Okay.
Now, yaha saha.
Aham.
Aham is there. Going to the village. I see my mother. Yaha aham we cannot say because you are talking about you only.
Yada tada.
Yada tada we can use. When I go to the village, I see my mother. You can say yada tada also you can use. Yada aham gramam gacchami tatha aham mataram hilami. Now, Shatranta would be gramam
Gaccham aham. Gachat aham.
gachan gachat. Gramam gachan aham only. Why gachat? Gachat is Napumsakali. Gachan. Gramam gachan. Because aham. Pullinga or Srilinga, whatever it is. If it is Srilinga, Gramam gachanti.
Gachanti.
Gramam gachan aham mataram hilami. Right? Now, future tense would be
Gamishyam aham.
yes,
Gamisyan aham.
Gamisyan. Gamdhatu, even though it is anit, but for Parasmai Pada Pratyaya, it will be said. So, Gramam Gamisyan aham mataram melishyami. Dhatu is mil. Meli. Sya plus melishyami. Understand? Or Drakshyami, if you say future. But the king going to the mountain, sees a sage, speaks to him.
The king goes to the mountain, he sees the sage, and he speaks to him.
Gacchati, kaha.
Nrupaha.
Nrupaha gacchati. Kutra gacchati? Parvatam.
Parvatam gacchati.
Parvatam gacchati. Then saha.
Rishim drashyati. Rishim pashyati. Munim
Pashyati.
pashyati.
Speaks to him also.
Padati.
Bhashyate cha sambhashan karoti cha, whatever it is. Right? Bhashyate cha. Now, making it yaditad.
Parvatam gachan nrupaha. Yaha nrupaha parvatam gacchati.
Yaha nrupaha parvatam gacchati. Saha munim pashyati pashyate cha. Now, here it become Parvatam
Gachan
nrupaha.
Munim pashyati.
Pashyan bhashate.
Munim pashyati.
Munim
Pashyate.
Munim pashyan
Why
bhashate.
not? Yes. Munim pashyan bhashate. You say. Munim pashyan bhashyate. But and is there, so that's why pashyati bhashate cha. It depends on your vivaksha. So I'll retain this. Sha, if I make it, then pashyati is better. I don't use cha and make that also. Then also possible. Pashyan bhashate, you can say. You can use any number of shatranta. Paravatam gachandrapaha munim pashyan bhashate. You can say nothing wrong. Then the king who will go to the mountain.
Gamishyati.
So Gamishan. Yes.
Gamishan.
So Gamishan Nrupaha. The king who will be going. So adjective. Samanadhikaranya. Gamishan Nrupaha munim pashyati bhashate. Pashyati. Drakshati.
Drakshan.
Drakshana drakshati.
Drakshati.
Bhashate. Bhashate atmanipada. Therefore future tense would be Bhash dhatu. What will be is
Vada.
Sed dhatu.
Bhashishyate.
Bhashishyate. Yes. Bhashishyate. Bhashishyate. Okay. Bhashishyate, bhashishyate, bhashishyante. Te only is a change, nothing else. There is no Gana Vikarana, only Vikaranasya, which is common. So bhashishyate. The boy worships the father, obtains money from him. Two sentences are there. The boy worships his father.
Alakaha janakam. Worship archate.
Namati can also say, not literally means it is worshipping, just making salutation.
Namati.
Then Saha
Dhanam.
Dhanam
Dhanam svikaroti.
Svikaroti Ravate, whatever it is. From him.
Janakat.
Janakat or
Tasmat.
Pituhu. Right? Tasmat. Saha Tasmat Dhanam Svikaroti. Tasmat referring to father. Right? Now Yaha Saha Yaha Balakaha
Janakam namati.
Saha Tasmat, that is Pituhu or Janakat Dhanam Labate Svikaroti. I will make other dhatus also. You can say Labate Atmanipadi.
Prapyate.
Yeah, Prapyate. You can try for future tense. Prapnoti, not Prapyate. Prapnoti. Now, Shatranta would be
Naman balakaha. Janakam
Yes.
naman balakaha.
yes, Janakam Naman Balakaha. Kim Karoti
Dhanam.
Tasmat, that is
Dhanam.
of the father. Dhanam
Prapnoti.
Svikaroti.
Prapnoti.
Svikaroti, Prapnoti, whatever it is. Right? Now, future tense would be Janakam Naman,
Namishyan balakaha.
not Namisyan, think. Nam plus Sya plus Ti.
Namsyati.
Namsyati.
Nansyati.
Namsyati becomes. Because this is not said dhatu. Apadantamakar. Just in previous class we saw this example in fact. So Namsyan. So future tense would be, Shatranta would be
Nansyan.
in the place of Ti becomes At. So
Nansyan.
Namsyat. So therefore, Namsyan. Apadantamakara. Nascha padantasya jali. Apadantamakara will become Anuswara. Paraswana will not happen. Janakam Namsyan Balakaha Tasmat Dhanam Svi Karishyati. Right? Karishyati Karishyataha. It is not Svi. Svi. Sorry, it's Svi only. So, correct. Sorry. Labate becomes Laps.
Lapsya.
Lapsyate. How it becomes Labdatu plus Ya plus Te simple. First is Bakara. Then Bakara will become just you can apply Karicha, Lapsyate, simple. No other rule will apply. Lapsyate. Prapnoti, up will become Prapurvaka up dhatu. A plus Ya plus T.
Apsyate.
Apsyati, Prapsyati.
Hmm.
Right?
Hmm.
Then people sitting around the tree. Watch the horses. So Janaha.
Janaha Ashwan.
No. Later that one. They sit
Sitting around
around the tree.
Upavishanti.
Kutra.
Vriksham parata.
Paritah.
Yes.
Vrikshat.
No. Vriksham, not Vrikshat. It's Upapada Samasa.
Upapadavi.
Vriksham Paritaha.
Paritah,
Upavishanti.
Upavishanti.
Right? And
Hmm.
they
Ashvaha
Shvaha.
Ashwan.
Pashyanti. Ashwan
Ashwan
Pashyanti.
Pashyanti. Now, Yaha Saha Ye Janaha Vriksham Paritaha Upavishanti Te Ashwan Pashyanti. Right?
Pashyanti. Hmm.
Shatranta will become Vriksham.
Vriksham Paritah Upavishantah.
Yes, Upavishan, Vishdhatu, which is in fourth conjugation. But anyway, it's not a problem because Pullinga is simple. Upavishantaha, Janaha, Kim Kurvanti, Kim Kurvanti, Ashwan
Pashyanti.
Pashyanti. A future tense would be Vriksham Paritaha. Who will sit around? So Vish plus Sya plus T.
Veshya.
Wait, in
Veshya.
fact, we saw this before. See, I've written, I think. Yeah, Vishtatu Vekshyati, right? Yeah, I've written.
Vekshyati.
Already we have done this.
Upavekshya.
Vekshyati. Right, but yeah. So therefore here, people, who will sit? Therefore, Upa,
Vekshanta. Vekshantaha.
Vekshanto, Vekshantaha, Janaha, Ashwan,
Darsha.
not that, Drakshanti, not Darsh.
Drakshanti.
Darshayati is causative of Drish Dhatu. Darshayishyati, again, which tense, causative. Here they see, they don't show. Then the woman held the leaves in her hands. Number one is she holds leaves, and second thing is she counts. The two sentences are there. So holding is Dharati.
Dharati.
What? Who?
Parnaha.
Sa Magila or that woman. Magila, Kani, Parnani.
Parnani.
Okay, Patrani, Parnani, whatever it is. Magila, Parnani, Dharati. Then Sa Kim Karoti.
Gana.
Yeah. Tan Ganayati. Now, get said this.
Ganati or Ganati, Guruji?
Not Ganati, Ganayati, 10th conjugation. Ya Mahila Parnani Dharati Sat Tan.
Isn't Ganayati a causative one?
10th conjugation always Nich will be there. So causative Swarte itself Nich will come.
Okay.
Causative depending on the context. Now, Shatranta would be Parnani.
Dharanti Mahila.
Yeah, Dhrudhatu, first conjugation. Therefore, Pratipadikam will be Dharanti, and when you decline Nadi Shabdavat, Parnani Dharanti Mahila.
Tan Ganayati.
Tan Ganayati. The same thing will be in future tense. Parnani Dhrudhatu. Dhru plus, yes, Dhru plus Ya plus Tit. Dhru will become Dhar. Dhatu is said Dhatu. So Dharishyati, Dharishyata. Okay. So Dharishyant, Strilinga again. Therefore, Dharishyanti, Mahila, Tan, Ganayati will become dhatu is
Ganishyati.
Gamsyati.
dhatu gani plus ya plus
Gamsyati.
ti.
Gamsyati.
Tell me what will happen here. This is us again. Itagama will be there.
Ganayishyati.
Huh?
Ganayishyati.
Ganayishyati. Yes, Gani will become Gane and Ganayishyati. Understand? Causative. Not causative. Which Lutlakara. Future tense. Ganayishyati. Understand? Ganayishyati. She will count. Then
For the sentence, like dhra dhatu will take into account holding in the hand itself. Like we don't have to mention in her hands. Is it?
oh, okay. You can say sorry, hands also you can say. Varnani there that use hands also. Kutra
Haste dharati.
yes say Varnani ya Mahila Varnani Aste Asta Aste is or Astayoho. They got two hands. Ya Mahila Varnani Astayoho. Right? Astayoho is 7, 2. Like Ramayoho. Or Aste, whatever it is, right? So that we have to, yeah, we have to add Aste. I didn't see that. Astayoho Dharati. That anyway, that will not become no significant change in the other words. It's because it is Adhikarana Karaka. So that can be inserted. So Parnani Astayoho Parnani Dharanti. So Astayoho connected to Dhrudhatu holding. So we can Parnani is karma. Again, for you can put all the karakas which are connected to Dhrudhatu before. That's similarly here also. Astayoho Parnani Dharishyanti. Right? Then elephant do not want to eat flesh. That is one sentence. Therefore, it goes hungry. Yahasaha we can use. Do not want to eat flesh. Do not want. They don't like. Ichanti. Okay?
Gajaha. Gajaha.
Okay, I said Karinaha. Karinaha na ichanti. What?
Mansaharam na ichchati.
Yeah. Karinaha mamsam na ichanti. Then, therefore,
Karinaha.
they
So it is
goes
elephant
hungry.
or elephant goes or elephants go.
Elephants, Bhagavachanam. Therefore, they go
So
hungry.
it should become go hungry.
Yeah, okay. Te gachanti. Katam gachanti. Go hungry. Bubukshitaha. So you can say te bubukshitaha. Bhagavachanam. Bubuksha is hunger. Bubukshitaha te bubukshitaha gachanti. Right? Bubuksha. What is bubuksha? See, what is hungry?
Desire to eat.
See, you have to present the hungry in terms of the desire to eat. Desire to eat is sananta. San pratyaya. San pratyaya is used in the sense of desire. It's called desiderative. Like mumuksha, mukta micha, mumuksha, mumukshu referring to the person. Bubukshu referring to the person who is hungry. Bubuksha is hunger. Bubukshitaha is tha pratyaya. Nishta pratyaya is used. The form is, dhatu is bubuksha is a dhatu. Bubukshati, you can use, this is desiderative form. Bubukshati, bubukshataha, bubukshanti, like that. So bubuksha is a dhatu. Then Bhoktum Icha is Bubuksha. Bhoktum Ichuhu is Bubukshuhu. Now we are talking about those which are Angari. So Bubuksha plus, this is the Dhatu, Sananda Dhatu, then Ta Pratyaya. When you add, Dhatu is Anekach. Therefore, say. Understand? Ita.
Bubukshita.
What Pratyaya is this? Adha Dhatuka Pratyaya. Follows what? Adantanga. So that Akara will become Lopaha. So Ato Lopaha. Sutram is that. Therefore, you have Bubukshita. Bubukshita. That's what I written. Bubukshita is Akaranta. Pullinga Shabda, Rama Shabda. If it is Strilinga, Bubukshita. You can say it like that. So those who are angry, you can use always, you can like that. Bubukshitaha as a qualifier. Te Bubukshitaha, they were angry, who are angry, goes. They go angry, right?
Guru, can we use Kshud also for this Dhatu Rupam?
Yeah, Kshuddha is anger. Kshuddha is anger. How
So
do
you
you
can
use
say
Kshuddha?
Kshudaturaha.
Huh?
Kshudaturaha.
Bhavanti, you can say. You can say Kshudaturaha Santaha, being.
What is it, Guruji? Kshuddhatu raha.
She says Kshuddha is anger.
Huh.
In the dictionary it's given Kshudaturaha, right? Kshudaturaha means referring to the people who are angry. Is
Hungry.
it right?
Okay. Okay.
Is it given in the Kosha? I don't know. I'm not. I didn't check the dictionary. Angry is referring. I think Kshudaturaha referring to the person, right?
Yes.
Referring to the person. Kshuddha is anger. Or you can say Kshudartaha. Kshuddha, the other word. Kshuddhaya, afflicted. Artaha, artharthi, we say, no? Kshudartaha, santaha, gachanti, you can say. Santaha is being angry, they go. That is, this is Kshudartaha, gachanti, you can say. Santaha, just I'm adding. Being angry, they go. I just add Santaha. Santaha is, don't think Santaha is something. Asdatu. Shatranta again. Santo, Santaha. Being angry, they go. Kshudartaha, Santaha, gachanti. That also we can say. Your choice. Okay. Let us do both. Karinaha, Mamsaharam, Mamsam na ichanti, Sudataha Santaha gachanti. Whatever it is. Both are okay. Sudaya Artaha, afflicted. Afflicted by Sudha, anger. Yeah, Sudha. Sudaya Piditaha. Sudha Piditaha also you can use. Same meaning. Okay. No, Yahat Saha, Yahat Karinaha, Ye Karinaha, Karinaha Bhagavachanam. Ye Karinaha Mamsam na inchanti te Bubukshitaha. Here all the Bubukshitaha Santaha Gachanti, you can say. Okay. Nothing wrong. So make it one sentence. Bubukshitaha or Shudartaha Santaha, being anger, they go. Right? Now, Shatranta would be Mamsam
Ichantaha karinaha.
na ichantaha. Right? Ichantaha karinaha. So we can say Anichannapi Varshneya. What is that? Kamak. Anichannapi Varshneya Baradiva Niyojitaha. Right? Where is that? Gita. Arjuna asked, right? What is Anichan?
Na ichan anichan.
That is a Nanch Tatpurusha. Na Ichan. Shatranta. This is Shatra Rupam. Na Ichan Anichan. Therefore, here we can make
Anichantaha.
Yes, why not? Mamsam anichantaha karinaha, we can say. Both are nouns, both are noun. So we can make samasa. Ichan, it's not a kriya padam. We cannot form a samasa with a tinganta. Samasa between two subantas. This na is aviyam, ichan is subanta, another noun. So two nouns, na ichan, anichan. Mamsam anichantaha karinaha, we can say, right? Na pashyan, apashyan, not seeing. Mamsam na ichantaha, mamsam anichantaha karinaha. Then bubukshitaha, Vedataha, Santaha, Santaha also not, if you put it, it's okay, otherwise also okay. Vedataha Gachanti. Understand? Right? Elephants who will not eat, who will not want to eat flesh, will go
Guruji,
on.
here Kshudartaha, is it again Kshudartaha or
Vedartaha, yes, yeah, right. Bhagavachana should be, okay. Vedartaha, yes, correct.
even Karinaha also? Karinaha, Mamsam.
No. Pratama Bhakti Ekavachana is Kari, that's correct only. Kari, Karino, Karinaha. Akaranta Shabda, not Akaranta Shabda.
Oh, okay.
Now Ichantaha will become, tell me, Ishdatu. Ishdatoho, what is the Ishdatoho future tense Rupam? There is no Icha. There is no Icha. Yes. Yeshishyanti, right?
Yeah.
Trantarupam. Ish plus Ya will become, so Ish will become Ye, then Shakara, Set Dhatu, Yeshishyanti, Yeshishyataha, Yeshishyanti. Bhagavachanam. So Yeshishyan, or Yeshishyantaha, right? Mamsam na
Asian.
taha.
Asian.
Na Yeshishyantaha.
An comes, Guruji.
Yes, tell me.
Aneshishyantaha.
Yes, so that will become an. Therefore, na ichantaha, anishyantaha. Therefore, an plus yashintaha,
Aneshishyantaha karinaha.
Yeah, aneshishyantaha karinaha bubukshitaha gamishyanti, right?
Mission.
Gamishyanti.
Guruji, here can we also say khaditum na ichantaha?
Why not?
Because do not want to eat, not
Yes.
do not want. Yes.
Do not want to eat, yes. You can say like that also. Mamsam kaditum na ichantaha. Why not? I just made it like this. You can say Mamsam kaditum na ichantaha. Yes, that would be better. Ye karina mamsam kaditum. Because kaditum is the, so we can take like that. Kaditum na ichantaha. Then this part I know it. Yes. We always see the vivaksha. Vivaksha is there, but anyway, the word is there. Kaditum, we have to use it. Mamsam kaditum na yeshishyantaha. Aneshishyantaha karinaha bubukshitaha udartaha gachanti. The hero climbs the palace, number one. Then he sees the enemies. Climb is Arohati.
Arohati.
Arohati, Avarohanam.
Prasadam.
Yeah, Prasadam palace. Kaha,
Veeraha.
Nayakaha, whatever it is. Warrior, Veeraha. And Saha,
Vairinaha.
Vairinam is Vairinam. When you have the Ripum, whatever it is. Shatrun. Sees enemies. Therefore, Vairino, Vairinaha. Vairinam, Vairino. What is the form? Vairinaha. Ditya Bhakti Bhagavachanam is Vairinaha. Okay. Pashyanti. So you should know that Vairinaha is Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Pashyati.
Sorry, Pashyati. Saha Pashyati. Then Yaha
Prasadam
Viraha.
Arohan.
Yaha Viraha Prasadam Arohati. Saha or Yada Viraha, whatever it is. Yada Viraha Prasadam Arohati Saha Vairinaha Pashyati. Can say. Yada Tada also it's okay. Yada Tada or Yaha Saha. Then Shatranta would be Prasadam
Adam Arohan Viraha.
Arohan. Viraha Kim Kurvanti Kim Karoti
Vairinaha Pashyati.
Vairinam
Vairinam Pashyati.
Pashyati. Right. The hero who will climb the palace will see the enemies. Will see the enemies. Even though see the enemies is there. Therefore here will become A plus Ruk plus Sya plus T. What is the Rupam? What is a future tense? First let us do future tense. So then only we get
Arohishyati.
Arohishyati. Arohishyati.
Arohishyati. Ruk plus Sya plus the Dhatu is Anik Dhatu. Okay. So no Itagama business there.
Oh. Aro.
Ruk Dhatu.
Dhakara comes in.
See, how do we know it is not into because we have seen already Tapratyaya Rupam. Rudaha and all we have seen. Arudaha, remember? Yoga Rudaha Tada Uchyate. Gita also is there. Okay, therefore now
Arohan Viraha.
Ruk plus Sya plus T.
Road. Yes.
Road.
Rohas.
It will become Ro will become Rog. Rog plus
Rotishyati.
remember Shyati. Okay, Syati is there. Then
Rotishyati.
no. There is no Itagama. This is Anit Dhatu.
Road.
This Hakara followed by Sya. Odaha, Dathum will happen. Then Dakara, not Odishyati. Dakara will be replaced by, when followed by Kakara, Dakara will be replaced by Kakara. Next rule. All the Sandhi rules we have seen.
Rotishyati.
After that, it will become Sya. Yatha we have Drakshyati similarly. Therefore, Rokshati, Arokshati. That's a Rupam. Dhatu is Anik Dhatu. Don't say Rogishyati, Rodishyati. There's no Itagama there. Where is Itagama? Rokshati is a form. Rokshati. Prasadam Rokshati Viraha Vairinam Drakshati. Make it Drakshati. Who will see the enemies? Okay. We'll see the enemies. Sorry. We'll see the enemies. We'll see the enemies. Vairinam. Oh, okay.
It's already there.
You will see the enemies. Here we'll see the enemy. Okay. Understand? So then lots of chapter 15 we do.
15.
Yeah. Then the king giving money to his friend. So gives money to his friend and writes poetry.
Who writes poetry? King or friend? The king
The
writes
English is like
poetry.
that. How do you interpret it?
The king writes poetry or a friend who writes poetry. Generally, that's how it happens. Kings give money to those who write praises about them.
But punctuation shows the king writes poetry.
Yeah, punctuation shows that.
Yeah, take that. Kings give money to his friend, and king writes poetry. Then give money. Echati. Echati was the kriya padam. Kaha echati.
Dhanam.
नृपः यच्छति किं यच्छति धनं यच्छति कस्मै मित्राय
Mitra.
मित्राय
Mitraya. Dhanam.
संप्रदान
Yeah.
स्वमित्राय his friend or मित्राय itself is okay then सः किं करोति सः कवितां
रचयति
रचयति right now shatranta would be sorry यः would be यः नृपः धनं मित्राय यच्छति सः कवितां रचयति right now shatranta would be dhanam
Mitraya dhanam yachan.
गुरुजी यः सः स्वतः नृपः कवितां रचयति
yeah nirpa only writes the poetry that's what I said punctuation shows right the king writes the poetry not the friend or if you make it the king gives money to your friend and the friend writes poetry then what will be then
कवितां रचयन् मित्रं नृपः धनं यच्छति
यः सः
यः मित्रः कवितां रचयति
no not mitraha yeah, the king give money to his friend and the friend writes poetry
मित्राय
यः नृपः not so
यः नृपः धनं यच्छति मित्राय धनं यच्छति मित्रः कवितां रचयति
no not mitraha mitram
the second sentence would be mitrah kavitam rachayati another sentence
not mitraha mitra is napumsakalinga mitram
and
that also your statement is not correct so that will become completely different yam mitram nrupaha dhanam yachayati tam mitram okay yam tam nrupaha dhanam yachati tam mitram nrupaha dhanam yachati it will become like that tam mitram nrupaha dhanam yachati yaha kavitam rachayati the meaning is you see tam mitram nrupaha dhanam yachati to that friend he gives money
mitraya
sorry mitraya tam mitram nrupaha tam mitraya not mitram tam mitraya nrupaha dhanam yachati yaha kavitam rachayati the one who writes it okay or you put it that way yaha saha yaha kavitam rachayati yaha mitram kavitam rachayati tam nrupaha dhanam yachati but that is not the sentence says tam
Nrupam dhanam yachati.
tasmai nirupaya tasmai mitraya nirpaha dhanam yachati yaha mitram kavitam rachayati tasmai nirpaha dhanam yachati but this is not the sentence I take the sentence to be the king writes poetry okay this is meaning is different but if you want to put it like that this will become like this only understand so this will be if you say I'll write it also. The king give money to his friend.
To write poetry.
And the friend writes poetry. And he writes poetry. That means he means the friend, not the king, huh? So if this is a sentence, yam mitram kavitam rachayati tasmai nrupaha dhanam yachati. Possible. You can do like this. This is different. But this is not a sentence here. Here the king writes only, we are taking. Okay. Understand? So therefore here, now Shatranta would be Dhanam Mitraya
Yachan
Kaha Nrupaha Kim Karoti Kavitam Rachayati. Simple. Right? Then this sentence, if the sentence is like this, then it will become Kavitam
Rachayan
Rachayan Mitram.
Rachayan. Rachayat. Because Mitra is
Napumsakalinga.
Kavitam Rachayat Mitram Nirpaha
Dhanam yachati.
Dhanam Yachati. Understand?
Hmm.
Kavitam Rachayat Mitram. The meaning that will be like this. Fine. Now, future tense. There also the same thing will happen. I take the first of, like the king writes poetry. Then it would be Dhanam Mitraya Yachan. Dhatu is, what is Dhatu? Don't say Yachishyashi and all. Yachita
Dasyan.
Dadesha. Dasyan Dadatu.
Dasyan.
Dasyan. Dasyan Dasyanto Dasyantaha. Mitram Dhanaya. Dhanam Mitraya. Dasindrapaha. Kavitam
Rachayati.
Rachayishyati. You will write.
Rachayishyati. Rachayishyati.
That is simple. Other possibility, if you say like this, here it will become Kavitam.
Rachishyan Mitram.
Yes, this is
Rachishyan. Rachishyat. Rachishyat.
Rachidatu. Why Rachayishyat? Rachishyat only.
Rachishyat.
Kavitam Rachishyat Mitram Nirpaha Dhanam Dasyati.
Dasyati.
The friend who will write poetry, to him the king will give Dhanam. Understand?
We have to remove that yat, Guruji.
Huh?
In that
yat.
line.
Oh, Rachishyat. Kavitam Rachishyat Mitram. 14th. He steals jewels from the palace and live happily. Live happily, another sentence. Steals, chorayati. Saha, someone. Saha,
Abharanani.
Abharanani.
Prasadat.
Yeah, from the palace. Saha, prasadat, from the palace. Abharanani, chorayati. Then, saha,
Sukhena
Sukhena,
Jivati.
Jivati.
So, if this is a sentence, then Chaturanta would be, Yaha Saha would be, Yaha, the one who, Yaha prasadat abharanani chorayanti, Saha, Sukhena Jivati. Prasadat abharanani chorayan, Katam Jivati. Chorayan Saha, Sukhena
Jivati.
Future tense would be Prasadat Abharanani
Chorishyan.
Chorayishyan Saha Sukhena Jivishyati. Last one, we'll stop with this. Many other. The hero who is requested strikes a king. First one is the hero is requested. Please note, the hero doesn't request. Okay. The hero who is requested. The hero is requested, it strikes the king. So requested.
Anurodhit Veer.
What is the request?
Anurodha.
Okay, complete. Anurodha is
Anurodhit Veeraha. Nrupam. Strikes.
I will just requested. I will say simple pratita, pratana. Anurodha you can use anupurvaka, maybe rududatu, rod. The simple one if you take immediately. The one the hero is who is prartita. The hero is who is requested. So Veeraha. Veeraha prartitaha asti. Veeraha prartitaha. Number one. The hero is requested. Saha kim kuroti? Saha nrupam tudati. Tudati strikes. Right? Any other word you can use. Now you can yaha viraha. Okay, yaha viraha, the one vira who is request pratitaha saha nripam tudati. He strikes a king. So now Shatranta. Okay, Shatranta, where is Shatranta here? Shatranta you cannot use here.
Requested is past tense,
Huh?
Guru.
Sorry.
Requested is past tense.
Yeah, who is requested? So you cannot make here. This is just showing ta pratyaya used as an adjective here.
Okay.
So we have to change it otherwise because the hero who is requested. Or we have to add some. The hero is requested. By some people, by janaha, something. Janaha, then we can say pratanam karoti, something like that. We have to change it. Anyway, this is not Shatranta. We cannot use. Pratitaha viraha nripam dodati. So this is simple. So Shatranta, if we want, we have to make some changes in the sentence. So the hero who is requested by
Ordered.
Ordered.
People request the hero, he strikes the king.
Yes, that's how we have to make. So the people make like this. The people request the hero. Then the hero strikes. People request the hero. And he strikes it. Now if you make Janaha
Veeram
Prartayati. Janaha Veeram Prartayati.
Veeram.
Yes, Veeram. Janaha Veeram Prartayati. Saha Nripam Tudati. Okay. Janaha Yam Veeram Prartayati. You see, Saha Veeraha Nripam Tudati. This is Shatranta would be Prartayati. Yam Veeram Prartayanti. It's on Prartayati. Okay.
Prarthayanti.
So Prartayan. So therefore here, Janaha Yam Veeram Prartayanti Saha means Veeraha. Nripam Tudati.
So does it become Janaihi Prarthayan Veeraha Nripam Tudati?
Yeah, that's a karmani it is. So Saha Nripaha Tudati. Saha Nripam Nripam Tudati. So we'll make here, we have to use Tritiya. The Nripa who is requested. Suppose Saha is the hero. Hero is, you cannot use Prartayan hero. The hero is requested. Therefore, Prartayan, Prartayanto, Prartayantaha, Prartayantam, Prartayantam, Prartayatha, Prartayata. Prartayata. Janaihi Prartayata. Sorry. Not Janaihi. Sorry, not Prartayata. Janaihi
Veeraha will be.
Veeraha will be Veeraha. Janaihi
Prarthayan.
Prartayan Veeraha. Yes. Prartayan, not Prartayata. Sorry. If it is the Veera who is requested, then Prartaya, then you can say the one Veera who is requested. That is not here. Sorry. Janaihi Prartayan Veeraha Nripam Tudati. Simple.
Guruji, if you Janani also it is fine, no? Prarthayan Veeraha Nripam Tudati.
Actually, that is what actually the sentence is. But this is akarma. This is bhave prayoga. So Janaihi is not there in the sentence. The hero who is requested strikes it. So who requested? The karta is not. I mean not bhave prayoga. The karmani prayoga. Karta is not mentioned. So that's why Janaha was not there. Now we make it Janaihi. The Janaha Prartayanti. Veeram Prartayanti. So Janaihi Prartayan Veeraha Nripam Tudati. So Janaihi we just add not required. Prarthayan Viraha Nrupam Dadanti. That is what sentence
Also
is.
makes sense. Yeah.
And Viraha is one who is requested. That we have to make it as a Viraha Prartyate. You have to make it as Karmani. Viraha Prartyate. Then Saha Viraha Nrupam Dadati. So Janaha, if it's not required, again I make these changes, you see. Viraha is one who is Prartyate, Karmani.
Pratyan.
Prartyate. Vira is Karmani Priya, Prartyate. Then Saha Nrupam.
Nupam to that.
This is the sentence actually. So now when you make it, Prarthaya, the Vira who is Prarthayate. So we have to use Karmani. So Karmani is you have to use Shanach here. That's the problem will come. Prartyamanaha Viraha. Okay. So here we have to use Pratyate. Prarthayan Viraha means Vira who is request. The meaning will come. That is not correct. Even otherwise also it's not correct. Janaihi Prarthayan Viraha is, what does it mean? By the people, the Vira who request. That the meaning will not come. This is not correct. This is not correct. This is not correct. Sorry. I mean, this doesn't convey meaning. This is a tricky sentence. So the Vira who is requested. So Janehi Viraha Prartyate. Even also here also we have to use Prartya Manaha Viraha. We have to say Karmani Shanach only we have to use. Janehi Prartya Manaha. Okay, anyway, Shanach is not our topic. So leave that out. So Janehi Prartyamanaha Viraha Nrupam Dadati. Not Prarthayan. Viraha Prarthayan means Vira who request. That means no meaning at all. It's no meaning at all. It's wrong. Grammatically, it's wrong. Janehi Prartyamanaha should be. Okay, anyway. So now, this is Karmani. Shanach, I think Shanach section, this will be useful. I have to change the sentence, man. So, whatever was there before, the same thing. We cannot go. Actually, we cannot do. If you say the Vira, the Nrupam Dadati, Vira has to be in Pratama Vibhakti. Then the qualifier has to be in Karmani. Okay, so therefore Shanach only I can use here. So this sentence you can reserve for Shanach, not here. Virehi, sorry, Janehi Prartyamanaha Viraha Nrupam Tudati. The Janehi is there or not doesn't matter. Prartyamana Viraha, the hero who is requested, he strikes the king. So Janehi not required. It's not in the sentence. Okay, Shanach will keep this in for Shanach. Okay. And here it will be this future tense. Future tense also we can Prarthayishyamanaha Viraha Nrupam Tudati. Nrupam Totsyati.
Tosyati.
We will do it in Shanach, but anyway, I'm just completing here. Prartha, the dhatu is Prarthi. Then Prartha Ishyamanaha. Prartha Ishyamanaha. This is Karmani Shanach. Prartha Ishyamanaha Viraha Nrupam Tud will become To. Then Tot.
Tosyati.
You will strike the king. Okay. Prartha Ishyamana, how it comes, we'll see that later. Don't worry about it now. We are doing only Shatranta. The Shins is not required. We'll see. We'll stop here. We please do it. So take it to homework and try. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad Guru.
Dhanyavad Guruji.